What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the Huawei P40. It's the time of the year Huawei and the partner Leica are starting a new chapter in smartphone photography. The smartphone manufacturer also did much to improve the hardware on the front of its P40 flagship, and it hit a new milestone in wireless charging speeds. The Huawei P40 takes the inspiration from both the P30 and Mate 30 but surpasses them both in terms of features. Huawei usually strive to perfect the cameras is as strong as ever, but this year the company did much improvement to the screen as well. It is called an overall display with 4 curved edges, all sides sweeping down towards the frame of the phone. Another notable change if you look at the device is the presence of a pill-shaped punch hole camera cutout. Moving away from the water drop notch, that is a refreshing change from Huawei. So in this particular video, we will be discussing about the specification which are going to be seen in the Huawei P40 Pro. So first we are going to discuss about the display of the Huawei P40. So in terms of display, it is coming with a 6.5 inch of OLED panel. The front is coming with a 1200 by 2640 of pixel resolution. 441 is the PPI density. 91.6% is the screen to body ratio. HDR10 support is also being introduced in that particular device, and one of the main highlight of that device is presence of 90 Hz of a refresh rate. Also, you will see an in-display fingerprint scanner on the front of the device, and the front is also protected with dust and water resistant because it is certified with IPS68. On the front of the device, you will see that there is a dual punch hole camera setup present on the front of the device, and that camera sensor is coming with a 32 megapixel of cameras. Also, you will see time-of-flight sensor on the front of the device, and the front can record a video of 4K up to 60 frames per second. Also, there is another new sensor which is introduced in the Huawei P40 Pro punch hole camera cutout, and that is going to be an ambient and proximity sensor that will going to be help in unlocking the face even in the dark light. Payment unlock system using that ambient sensor. Moving on towards the back side of the device, well, we have a nice ceramic back present on the Huawei P40 series. So if we look at the camera sensor which are present in the square camera bump on the back side of the device, we will see that there is going to be a quad camera setup on the back side in which the main camera is of 50 megapixel, and that is going to be a 1 by 1.28 inch of a sensor, and that sensor is going to be one of the largest sensor which are currently using in the smartphone. So along with that, this 50 megapixel camera sensor is coming with an optical image stabilization inside it. Periscope lens are also present inside the device, and it is coming with a 12 megapixel of periscopic telephoto lens which is also supporting an optical image stabilization, and it has a 5 times of optical zoom. 40 megapixel is the ultra wide camera which you are going to see in this particular device, and that is going to be an impressive camera because that camera sensor will provide you high detail of ultra wide shots. And the last camera is going to be a time of flight sensor which is going to help you out in taking a nice bokeh effect. The back is also coming with a Leica Optics LED flashlight on the back side. Moving on towards the processor side, the Huawei P40 Pro is coming with a Kirin 995G processor inside that particular device. That processor is going to be very impressive because it has a 5G support pre-built inside the processor module. The GPU which is coming inside the Huawei P40 Pro edition is going to be Mali G76, which is an impressive GPU that will help you perform all the gaming and even the high intensive tasks quite easily. Memory wise, you will see there is only going to be one variant which is introduced in Huawei P40 Pro, and that is going to be 8GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. That storage is going to be based on UFS 3.0, and also the Huawei P40 Pro is supported by a nano memory card. So in terms of a battery department, it is coming with a 4200 mAh of a battery inside, but what is most interesting in that particular device is having a 40 watt of fast charging support inside the box. Also, you will see that there is going to be a 27 watt of fast wireless charging support capability is going to be introduced in that particular device, and even we have a 27 watt of reverse wireless charging which is provided by Huawei in their P40 Pro series. And that is insane, man, because having a fast charging support of 27 watt for wireless is going to be an impressive thing. Lastly is going to be the price of that particular device, and since it is only one variant device, so you will see that there is going to be a €1000 price tag for that particular device, and that device is going to be available on April the 7th. So overall, if you look at the device is pretty much impressive. It has a nice camera present on the back side of the device, and also it is coming with a nice elegant screen as well. So that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.